Want more photography website design videos like this? Then, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get more videos like this. Your homepage is the very first thing visitors see on your photography website. It gives you the best chance to create a favorable impression and improve the chances of a sale. Make this page welcoming and interesting, and you can tempt visitors to stay and explore your website. Given below are 10 homepages of various photography websites that I found interesting. These are not in any specific order. Visit each of these websites to get an idea of how you can design the homepage of your website. Please do not copy these designs as is. Instead, use them as inspiration to come up with your unique homepage design. Also, don't bother to note them down as you watch this video. I have listed all the homepages in the description below for you. Okay. Let's get started. Number 1. HumanPlanet.com. Number 2. AlexaMiller.com. Number 3. DanielKennedy.com. Number 4. JillGreenberg.com. Number 5. GavinGoff.com. Number 6. DanielWeiser.com. Number 7. SteveMcCurry.com. Number 8. Rankin.co.uk. Number 9. BrucePercy.co.uk. Number 10. CambridgeInColor.com. These are just 10 homepage ideas for your photography website. I have created a list of 21 interesting photography website homepages too. You can find a link to that list of 21 homepages in the description below. And if you are wondering how much it is going to cost you to create a photography website, then I have created a detailed tutorial for it too. Click the link that is displaying right now at the top of this video to watch that tutorial. If you liked this video, then don't forget to hit the like icon below, and leave a comment to let me know what you'd like to see next.